Hello, my name is Andrew Smith, and for my service learning project, I volunteered to be the treasurer for the Houghton Lake Soccer Association. I chose to do this project not only because it is perfect for my major in accounting, but it is also something I really enjoy being a part of. After coaching back in fall 2019, it was such a feel-good job to be a part of the soccer league. Not only did it put a smile on my children's faces, but it put one on every child's face in town that was part of it. Let's dive in and take a look at the sociological and psychological benefits the HLYSA has on local youth. The Michigan State Youth Soccer Association has brought leagues like ours together all over the state since 1976, ensuring that the youth across the state have the access to be a part of team sports. Team sports is an incredible developmental activity for young children to be a part of. Learning how working together towards goals is easier than trying to do it all by yourself. Some of the benefits of being involved in team sports at a young age include behavioral and physical health, well-being, and social activity building, which leads me into the first social science we will explore. Sociology. It goes without question that team sports lead to budding friendships within the team. After warming up shy state and a little bit of time on the field, these kids are connected at the hip. This is incredibly beneficial to their social development and well-being. In recent times, this is more important than ever. Soccer is a getaway for these kids to get away from the harsh reality the country is facing with the coronavirus pandemic. With many youth being taken out of school and stay-at-home orders put in place, this may be the only social interactions some children may get outside of the home. It is immensely important during these developing stages of a child's life for them to have a sufficient amount of social interaction. A lack of this may cause behavioral problems or social anxiety in the coming years. Together, our board worked to make sure these kids had their soccer season this past fall as they needed it more than ever. In some cases of the lack of social activity and never before experienced current events these youth are facing, it is inherent that many are facing psychological defects due to this, or from this. The safety belt of knowing what is going on in the world and what to expect tomorrow has seemingly been eliminated. With surprises in the news each day and pure hatred spewing all around, I feel so bad for youth development. Although each and every experience is a learning one, in some aspects, trauma to the brain such as what these kids are facing can cause long-term psychological effects. Thoughts being put into their minds such as fear of death or even fear of losing a parent, and many more fears which have a detrimental effect on their psychological development. After long states of depression, the brain can have difficulty remembering and concentrating. This is where the HLYSA steps in to ensure no child will get left behind this year or any year, presenting that gateway out of depression and social anxiety that kids need, giving the kids a feeling of certainty again in these tough times, that everything is all right and that we're going to do what we can as a community to get past it. It goes without question that being a member of the HLYSA has been an incredibly heartwarming experience. The association has proved not only to be beneficial for the community youth, but crucial. As a treasurer, I was able to help ensure the league continued and started back up properly when the restrictions were lifted for fall season, ensuring that the community youth would have their soccer getaway in these harsh times. Thank you so much for watching, and keep your head held high. You too can make a difference.